All right, everybody, I am back with another Sphinx hair review. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use these combs and this lace wig to create a customized natural looking hairline towards the front of your wig. So I'm going to go ahead and just simply start by pinning down the wig, the lace. I'm not going to insert pins into the scalp area of the hair where the hair is. It's just going to be on the lace, and I'm just going to pin it down. This is going to keep it in place for me, and as you guys can see, I have not bleached these knots yet. And this is kind of like the hairline that comes on the wig. So I just want to show you how to customize this. Any information on where to get this wig, it's going to all be in my description, coupons, everything. It's going to be there. So let's go ahead and start clipping this loose hair out of the way. And I'm just going to make it as sleek as possible, but I don't want to put a lot of tension because you don't want the lace to pull. I'm going to get my tweezers here, and I'm just going to start working the part of all of this. The really good thing about the lace wig here with Sphinx is that the lace is actually somewhat transparent, so it'll kind of pretty much match with your skin tone already, but you can tint it or lighten it or whatever it is that you need to do. I'm simply here, the part was already pretty much ready to wear. Like, you can wear these lace wigs, I wouldn't say out the box, but you can not worry about the part so much. But you know me, I have to go in and I have to customize it, and I just want to show you ladies how to customize it at home. So once you start tweezing it, you'll get loose hair. That is normal because you're pulling that hair out of the lace. So you want to just consistently comb through, and you want to tweeze as much or as little as you want to. Me personally, I just want to deepen and widen this part more so that it looks more realistic. Looks like the hair is kind of growing from the scalp versus it being on a net. Now in the next video, I'll actually show you guys how to bleach it, but as you can see already, this is a huge difference. Huge difference in the part. And it's just simply taking your time. Don't rush the process. Even if you need to kind of break it up, just take your time and go through and customize your part to however it is you want. If you want to put multiple parts, you can do that as well. So I start by taking just a little bit of the hair in the front along the hairline, and I'm going to start to tweeze that about every other inch or half inch or so. That way it's not like I just tweezed it completely down and left it down. No one's hairline is just runs like that, so you have to kind of go in between and leave a little hair and then go in between to get the most natural look. You can, if you're going to wear this wig in a ponytail, tweeze the entire hairline of the wig, but it's really not necessary. You can leave the back part as is. You just want your front to look like it's growing out of scalp, or customizing it by using a white pencil and just tracing your hairline through the lace before you actually cut it off. You know, try the wig on, trace out your hairline a little bit, and then tweeze that onto the wig. It's very simple. If you want to see a review for that, I can pretty much show you. So here I'm going to actually separate more hair and just kind of go, I do about 3 to 4 rows, and then I stop and I move to the next section. But once I start to alternate. So now I'm going to tweeze down instead of tweezing up, and this just kind of gives you that mimic of a hairline. Now I really like this company. You know, they're very easy to work with, very easy to find the wigs, the hair. So like I said, you're just going to repeat this on both sides. I've done this side. I will come back and do a video for you guys showing you how to bleach your knots. Yeah, so that's all. Make sure you guys go and try out Sphinx Hair. Thank you.